In the last video, we explored what makes agentic systems unique: the autonomy, proactiveness, ability to use tools, maintain memory, and communicate across complex environments. We also talked about the real engineering challenges behind them: keeping long running state, choosing the right tools, coordinating multiple agents, and building systems that can recover gracefully from errors. Those challenges bring us to a crucial topic: agentic design patterns. Agentic systems are powerful, but they're also inherently complex. They must maintain context across multiple steps or tasks, identify and choose intelligently when and how to use tools or APIs, coordinate with any other agent without conflicts, and stay resilient in the face of unexpected failures. These aren't one-off issues. They're recurring architectural problems that every serious agentic system eventually encounters. That's why agentic design patterns are so important. They act as proven blueprints, structured, reusable solution that helps us build stable, reliable, and scalable agentic systems. Instead of solving the same hard problem from scratch, we can rely on patterns that capture the best practices, provide clarity, and speed up development. In short, if agentic systems are what, then agentic design patterns are the how, the foundation that makes complex autonomous behavior practical, predictable, and robust. So, why do agentic design patterns matter so much? What do they actually give us beyond theoretical structure? Benefits are both immediate and long term. First, they significantly improve quality. Patterns help shape the overall architecture of an agentic system, making it more maintainable, more reliable, and more efficient. Instead of messy or improvisational designs, patterns enforce structure. They give your agents a solid backbone. Second, patterns leads to faster development. You're not reinventing the wheel every time you build a conversational flow, integrate a tool, or manage multi-step reasoning. These are the problems that have been solved before, and patterns allow you to reuse those proven solutions. This frees developers to focus on what truly matters, that is, the unique logic and value of their application. And finally, patterns bring clarity and better communication. Give teams a shared vocabulary, an agreed upon way to explain an agent's behavior, components, and workflows. When everyone speaks the same language, it becomes much easier to understand, maintain, and evolve the system later on. In short, design patterns don't just streamline development, they elevate the entire life cycle of an agentic system, from architecture to collaboration to long-term scalability. When we start applying agentic design patterns, some of the most impactful ones are those that strengthen robustness. That is, the ability of a system to stay stable, reliable, and effective even under complexity or unexpected conditions. First, we have error handling patterns. These are crucial for resilience. And how an agent should identify failures, recover from them, retry intelligently, or switch strategies without breaking the entire workflow. And with these patterns, agents don't just fail, they learn to adapt. Next are the memory and state management patterns. Since agentic systems often operate across long sequences of choices, they must maintain context over time. These patterns establish how agents store, update, and use state, that is, ensuring continuity, accuracy, and smoother user experiences. And finally, we have coordination patterns, which are especially important in multi agent environments. These patterns dictate how agents share information, negotiate roles, synchronize tasks, and avoid conflicts. Provide a structured way for agents to collaborate effectively instead of acting independently in disconnected silos. These patterns attack the toughest parts of agent design, that is, user resilience, context management, and collaboration, giving developers a reliable foundation for building advanced real world agentic systems. So, as we wrap up this section, it's important to recognize just how foundational these patterns are. They form the core toolkit for anyone building sophisticated agentic systems. Whether you're developing a customer assistant, an autonomous workflow agent, or a multi-agent ecosystem, these patterns gives you the structural pieces you need to design with confidence. They help you navigate the toughest challenges, that is memory, coordination, choice making, resilience, and allow you to apply proven solutions instead of starting from scratch each time. With the right patterns in place, your agent becomes smarter, more stable, and far easier to scale across different technical environments. Is exactly what this series aims to teach. Across the upcoming modules, we'll explore 21 essential agentic design patterns, breaking down each one works, when to use it, and how it strengthens your overall architecture. And by mastering these patterns, you're not just learning techniques, you're developing a complete agentic engineering mindset that will serve you in every advanced AI project you build.